Sunrise breaks on a weathered coast, salt on the breeze, the thing I love most. Red cliffs glow and the tide rolls in, every ending feels like a place to begin. Boots on stone where the wild waves sound, heartbeat strong on this sacred ground. From quiet coves to the open sea, this land keeps calling back.